Welcome to my channel. Please showing my top 5 best products review.
Product review number 1.
When it comes to reliable power, the Expert Power EXP 1270 12V 7A rechargeable SLA battery is the ultimate companion you can count on. With its durable construction and impressive performance, this battery offers peace of mind like no other. Let me walk you through its key features. Firstly, the EXP 1270 boasts external durability with its hardened ABS plastic casing. It's built to withstand shocks, spills, and leaks, ensuring reliable performance in various applications. Internally, the battery excels in quality, thanks to its absorbent glass mat (AGM) technology. This advanced design allows for high currents on demand and offers a relatively long service life. What sets the Expert Power battery apart is its maintenance-free operation. You won't have to worry about periodic maintenance tasks as this battery is designed for hassle-free use. Also, its long time span of usability guarantees that it's generally good to go when you want it most. With a high discharge rate and long service life, you can trust this battery to deliver exceptional performance over time. Pros: external durability with a hardened ABS plastic casing, absorbent glass mat (AGM) technology for high currents and longevity, maintenance-free operation for added convenience, long shelf life and high discharge rate for reliable performance. Cons: may not be suitable for applications requiring extremely high power demands. Relatively smaller sizes may limit compatibility with certain devices.
Product review number 2.
Introducing the nurmac 12V50L lithium LiFePO4 deep cycle battery, your ultimate power solution for various applications. Let me walk you through its exceptional features. This lithium, first and foremost, iron phosphate, LiFePO4 battery conveys prevalent execution. With a high energy thickness and more than 4,000 cycles, it outflanks customary lead corrosive batteries overwhelmingly. The built-in 100 ABMS protection ensures safety by preventing overcharge, over-discharge, over-current, and short-circuit incidents. Plus, its low self-discharge rate guarantees up to 1 year maintenance-free storage, providing peace of mind. In addition to its impressive performance, this battery stands out with its long life and lightweight design. With 4,000 plus cycles, it offers long-term reliability compared to lead-acid batteries. Besides, weighing simply 10.6 pounds, it's only 33% the heaviness of a lead-corrosive battery, making it simpler to deal with and introduce. Pros: high energy density and over 4,000 cycles for superior performance, built-in 100 ABMS protection for enhanced safety, low self-discharge rate for up to 1 year maintenance-free storage, lightweight design for easy handling and installation. Cons: requires a LiFePO4 special charger for optimal charging. Traditional SLA chargers may not fully charge, may be relatively expensive compared to lead-acid batteries up front.
Product review number 3.
The renergy Deep Cycle AGM Battery 12V 100Ah, the perfect companion for your RV, camping trips, marine adventures, and off-grid systems. With its maintenance-free design and advanced technology, this battery offers reliable power without the hassle of acid leakage or frequent maintenance. The thick absorbent glass mat (AGM) separators and valve-regulated technology ensure safety and peace of mind during use. One of the champion elements of this battery is its excellent presentation in outrageous temperatures. Whether it's scorching hot or freezing cold, the improved electrolyte formula guarantees stable battery capacity and outstanding discharge performance. Say goodbye to the inconvenience of frequently recharging your battery when not in use. The renergy Deep Cycle AGM battery boasts a monthly self-discharge rate below 3% at 77 degrees Fahrenheit, 25 degrees Celsius, which is 5 times lower than flooded batteries. With a maximum discharge current of 1100 A, 5 seconds, this battery can power most appliances in your RV or off-grid setup. From refrigerators and microwaves to CPAP machines and laptops, you can rely on the renergy Deep Cycle AGM battery to provide consistent and stable discharge, making it a versatile choice for all your power needs. Pros: maintenance, free design, no acid leakage or water refilling required. Improved electrolyte formula.
Product review number 4.
Introducing the genuine Expert Power EXP124512V 4.5 amp rechargeable battery, the ultimate power solution for your security systems and a wide range of applications. As an avid user of this highly trusted and top-rated sealed lead-acid battery, I can confidently attest to its exceptional performance and reliability. With a voltage of 12 volts and a capacity of 4.5 amp hours, this battery is perfect for powering home alarms, electric scooters, UPS systems, ion block rockers, and much more. Crafted with rugged construction, this battery is built to withstand the toughest conditions. The high-influence safe battery case, produced using non-conductive ABS plastic, gives great protection from shock, vibration, synthetic substances, and intensity. With AGM-absorbed glass mat technology, the acid inside the battery is absorbed between the plates, ensuring immobilization and spill-proof operation in any position. The maintenance, free design and valve-regulated construction make installation a breeze, getting your system or application up.
Product review number 5.
Introducing the Litime 12V100 alifi PO4 battery, the perfect power solution for your RV, marine adventures, and home energy storage needs. As an avid user of this automotive-grade lithium battery, I can confidently say that it delivers exceptional quality, stability, and power. Manufactured with higher energy density and UL testing certificate for safety, the alifi PO4 cells ensure reliable performance for solar homes, campers, motor homes, and off-grid applications. One of the standout features of the Litime alifi PO4 battery is its impressive lifespan. With 4,000 to 15,000 cycles, this battery endures up to quite a bit longer than customary lead-corrosive batteries, offering remarkable benefits for cash. Also, it weighs just 24.25 pounds, which is half lighter than tantamount lead-corrosive batteries with a similar limit. This lightweight design makes it easy to move and install. The Litime alifi PO4 battery boasts a flat discharge curve, maintaining a voltage above 12.8 V for up to 95% of its capacity usage. This means you can enjoy extended run time compared to lead-acid batteries. With no memory effect, this battery can be used as soon as it is charged, making it ideal for outdoor camping and quick power solutions. Pros: automotive-grade lithium battery with higher energy density and stable performance. Impressive lifespan of 4,000, 15,000 cycles, lasting 10 times longer than lead-acid batteries. Lightweight design, 50% lighter than lead-acid batteries of the same capacity. Flat discharge curve for extended run time and...
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product.